Today, we're tackling a topic that's as essential as it is aromatic: onion farming. Whether you're a seasoned farmer or just starting out, maximizing productivity and profit in onion cultivation can be a game-changer for your agricultural endeavors. So, let's peel back the layers and uncover the strategies that will help you reap a bountiful harvest and enhance your bottom line. The foundation of a successful onion farm lies in the soil. Optimal soil preparation and selection are crucial for healthy onion growth. Conduct soil tests to determine its pH levels and nutrient composition. Onions thrive in well-drained, sandy loam soil with a pH range of 6.0 to 7.5. Incorporate organic matter like compost or aged manure to improve soil structure and fertility, ensuring robust root development and nutrient uptake. Choosing the right onion varieties tailored to your climate and market demand is key to maximizing productivity and profit. Consider factors such as bulb size, maturity rate, disease resistance, and storage potential when selecting varieties. Hybrid varieties are often preferred for their uniformity and yield potential, while open-pollinated varieties offer diversity and adaptability. Precision planting is essential for optimizing onion yield and quality. Plant onions in well-spaced rows to facilitate airflow and minimize competition for nutrients and water. Ensure proper depth and spacing between plants to avoid overcrowding, which can lead to reduced bulb size and increased disease susceptibility. Water is a precious resource in onion farming, and efficient irrigation management is crucial for maximizing productivity while conserving water. Implement drip irrigation systems to deliver precise amounts of water directly to the root zone, minimizing water wastage and weed growth. Monitor soil moisture levels regularly and adjust irrigation schedules based on weather conditions and crop growth stages. Balanced nutrition is essential for maximizing onion yield and quality. Conduct regular soil tests to assess nutrient levels and tailor fertilizer applications accordingly. Supplement soil deficiencies with organic amendments or targeted fertilizers to promote healthy growth and bulb development. Avoid excessive nitrogen application, which can lead to lush foliage at the expense of bulb formation. In onion farming, each step from preparing the soil to harvesting offers a chance to boost productivity and profit. Follow the tips in this guide, prep your soil well, choose the right onion types, plant carefully, and manage resources efficiently. Success in farming needs patience, hard work, and adaptability. Let's work together to succeed in onion farming. Happy farming until next time.